Hi everyone, I am Anuja and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are starting a brand new series on Salesforce Service Cloud. And in this, our very first step, we will understand what Service Cloud is, why companies use it, and its key features, and how it powers world class customer support. So, Salesforce Service Cloud is a customer service and support platform built on the Salesforce CRM. In simple words, it's a one stop solution that helps companies deliver faster, personalized, and efficient support to their customer across channels like email, phone, chat, social media, and even WhatsApp. So, in the introduction, Service Cloud is a tool that companies use to give better customer support. So, we will understand it by an example. Just imagine you ordered a new phone online, but the wrong model arrives. You contact support, and the agent instantly greets you by your name, knows your order details, and solves the problem quickly. So, how did they do that? This is the power of Salesforce Service Cloud. Think all of it as a smart workspace where support agents get everything they need in one place, like customer details, past conversation, and case history, so that they can resolve issues faster and more efficiently. And it also connects data automation and AI to make support smarter and more personalized. So there are some key features of Salesforce Service Cloud. First one is case management. So a case is just a customer's problem or question. So Service Cloud helps agent create, track, and resolve these cases from start to finish, all in one place. For example, if a customer reports a payment issue, the agent can see the case detail, update the status, and close it once the issue is resolved. And in the omni-channel support, customer reach out through many ways like email, phone, chat, social media, etc. So Service Cloud brings all these channels into one place. So agents can reply from a single console no matter where the message comes from. And the Service Console, it is the main workspace where agents work. It brings all the important customer details, previous conversation, and tools together on a single screen. That means agents don't have to switch tabs. They can focus on helping the customer faster. And in automation and workflows, routing tasks like assigning cases to agents or sending follow-up emails can be automated. And in knowledge base, think of this as a library of helpful articles, FAQs, and solutions. So agents can quickly find answers and share them with the customers. And also customer can even search and solve problems themselves. And next feature is Einstein AI and bots. So AI helps agents work smarter by suggesting next steps, predicting case priorities, and even answering simple questions automatically through chatbot. And in entitlements and milestone, so entitlements defines what level of support a customer is promised, like response time or resolution time. So milestones are checkpoints to track if these promises are being met. For example, a telephone company might promise to respond within 2 hours and resolve issue in 24 hours. And Service Cloud tracks it all automatically. And next is macros and quick actions. So macros and quick actions saves agents time by automating repetitive steps with one click. For example, if an agent always send a welcome email and updates the case status, a macro can do both instantly. And reports and dashboards, manager can track how quickly cases are resolved, customer satisfaction, scores, and team performance. These insights helps improve service quality over time. So, and integration capabilities. Service Cloud easily connect with other tools like email, chat apps, ERP system, or even IoT devices. So, how do business use Salesforce Service Cloud? The customer support center. Let's say a telecom company use Salesforce Service Cloud to manage all the way customers reach out, like calls, email, chats, and even social media messages, all in one single place. So earlier, support agents had to jump between different tools, and tabs to find customer details or past conversation. Now with the Service Cloud, everything is connected in a unified console. And next is self-service portals. Imagine an e-commerce company that sells online. They get thousands of support requests every day, thinking like, how do I track my order or how can I return a product, etc. So instead of making customer wait for an agent, they use Salesforce Service Cloud self-service portals. And these portals include an easy to search knowledge base with step-by-step article and FAQs and even AI powered chatbots that guide users 24 by 7. And in field service management, think about an utility company, like one that install and repair home electricity or water connection. So customers often need help on site. So sending the right technician to the right place at the right time is crucial. But with Salesforce Service Cloud's field service management, the company can schedule and track technicians seamlessly. And as they work, the company can track progress in real time and update the customers about the technician's arrival and repair status. This makes the entire process faster and smoother. And in SLA tracking and reporting, imagine a software company that promises its premium customers that we will respond to your support request within 2 hours and resolve them within 24 hours. That's called a service level agreement, a commitment to the quality and speed of service. So with the Salesforce Service Cloud, tracking and meeting these SLAs becomes super easy. The platform lets business set up entitlements and milestones. So every new case automatically start a timer based on the promised response and resolution time. So as a result, customers trust the company more because it consistently deliver on its promises. So to sum it up, Salesforce Service Cloud brings everything your support team needs into one place. It centralizes customer interactions, boosts agents' productivity, and makes sure no customer request is missed. So, with a powerful feature like case management, omni-channel support, AI automation, and reporting, your team can work smart and resolve issue faster. So, in the next video, we will start by enabling Service Cloud in our Salesforce org, and I will show you how to access its core features. And this will be the first step to setting up your support system. So you can begin exploring cases, knowledge, and omni-channel in the following videos. So that's it for today's video. You can start exploring these features in your org, try them out, and see how Service Cloud can make support easier and more productive. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.